Want to make money online fast? Not in weeks or months, but starting today. Yeah, you heard me right. In this video, I'm going to show you real methods that are working in 2025 without any investment. That's right, you don't need to spend a dime to start earning. Whether you're a student drowning in debt, a job seeker tired of rejections, or just want some sweet extra income, this video is for you. We're talking about proven strategies that anyone can use. No fancy skills, no complicated setups, just pure money-making magic. I'm talking about easy stuff, guys. I tried these exact methods myself and made my first $100 online, fast and free. And if I can do it, you can too. So grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's get started. Let's do this. Alright guys, let's kick things off with the future of freelancing AI tools. Forget spending years learning complex skills, because AI is here to do the heavy lifting for you. Imagine this, you can offer top-notch writing services without being a grammar whiz thanks to ChatGPT. Just feed it a topic and watch it crank out high-quality content in seconds. But wait, there's more. Ever wished you could create stunning graphics without being a Photoshop pro? Canva to the rescue. This amazing tool lets you design anything from logos to social media posts with drag-and-drop ease. AI does all the hard work, you just sit back and rake in the cash. Now where do you find these clients, you ask? Easy peasy. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are overflowing with people searching for talented freelancers like you. Create a killer profile, showcase your AI-powered skills, and watch the orders roll in. The best part, you don't need any prior experience. AI levels the playing field, giving anyone the power to become a freelancing superstar. And trust me, once those 5-star reviews start pouring in, you'll be laughing all the way to the bank. Remember, the key here is speed and efficiency. AI tools let you complete projects faster, meaning more money in your pocket, so ditch the outdated freelancing methods and embrace the future with AI. Okay, now let's talk about building a money-making machine that works for you 24/7 passive income. Imagine waking up to notifications of sales you made while you were sleeping. Sounds pretty sweet, right? That's the power of digital products. And guess what? Creating them is easier than you think. Remember our AI buddies, ChatGPT and Canva? They're back and ready to make you rich. Use ChatGPT to write ebooks on hot topics, craft detailed Notion templates, or design beautiful planners that people will be dying to get their hands on. Once your digital masterpiece is ready, it's time to unleash it on the world. Platforms like Gumroad and Payhip make selling digital products a breeze. Just upload your files, set your price, and watch the passive income roll in. The beauty of this method is that you only need to create the product once. After that, it's all about marketing and watching those sales notifications light up your phone. Imagine, you could be on vacation sipping a tropical drink while your digital products are making you money. It's like having your own personal money printing machine. And the best part is, it's completely scalable. The more products you create, the more passive income streams you have. So get creative, leverage the power of AI, and watch your bank account grow while you sleep. Ready to dive into the world of YouTube and make money without even showing your face? That's right, YouTube Shorts automation is the name of the game, and it's simpler than you think. Forget fancy cameras and editing software, all you need is a niche, some stock footage, and a sprinkle of AI magic. First things first, find a popular niche that gets people clicking. Think satisfying compilations, motivational content, or anything that makes people stop scrolling. Once you've found your niche, it's time to gather some eye-catching stock videos. Websites like Pexels and Pixabay offer a treasure trove of royalty-free footage that's just begging to go viral. Now for the secret sauce AI, use AI voice generators to create captivating voiceovers that bring your videos to life. Don't worry, these AI voices sound incredibly realistic and can even add emotions to your narration. Finally, spice things up with some catchy captions and trending sounds. Boom! You've got yourself a viral-worthy YouTube short. Upload your creations consistently, engage with your viewers, and watch your channel explode with subscribers and views. And the best part? You can monetize your channel with ads, sponsorships, and even affiliate marketing. It's like printing money while you sleep. Let's face it, sometimes we just want quick and easy ways to earn extra cash without the hassle. That's where microtask websites come in, your secret weapon for turning spare time into cold, hard cash. We're talking about websites like Clickworker, Remote Tasks, and Amazon MTurk, where you can find tons of simple tasks that anyone can do. Think about it. You're sitting on the couch watching your favorite show. Why not answer a few surveys, categorize some images, or transcribe short audio clips? These microtasks usually take just a few minutes each, and they can add up to some serious cash over time. Imagine, spending just 1 to 2 hours a day on these platforms can easily earn you an extra $5 to $20. That's like getting paid to watch TV. Plus, you get to choose the tasks that interest you and work whenever it's convenient for you. It's the ultimate side hustle for busy individuals who want to make money on their own terms. No more excuses about not having enough time or money to start earning online. Microtask websites are the perfect solution for anyone looking for a low-commitment, high-reward way to boost their income. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for a few platforms, start completing tasks, and watch the money roll in. Alright guys, now it's time to unleash the power of Instagram and turn your followers into a money-making machine with affiliate marketing. Imagine this, you're scrolling through your feed, showing off your awesome life, and getting paid for it. Sounds too good to be true? Think again. First things first, pick a niche that you're passionate about and start creating high-quality content that people will love. It could be anything from fitness and fashion to travel and tech. Once you've built up a decent following, it's time to partner with brands and start promoting their products or services. Platforms like Amazon and Digistore24 offer a vast selection of products with lucrative affiliate programs. Find products that resonate with your audience, create engaging posts and stories showcasing them, and include your unique affiliate link in your bio or swipe up link. Now, here's the best part. Every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's like getting paid to recommend products you already love. And with the power of viral reels, your earning potential is limitless. But remember, authenticity is key. Don't just promote any random product for the sake of it. Focus on building trust with your audience by recommending products you genuinely believe in. After all, happy followers equal more sales. So there you have it, guys. 5 incredible ways to earn money online fast and without any investment. Remember, I started with no followers, no money, just consistency and these tools. Now I earn passive income while I sleep. You can do the same. It just takes action. Don't let this be another video you watch and forget about. Take that first step today. Choose one of these methods and commit to taking action. The internet is your oyster, and the possibilities for making money are endless. If you found this valuable, subscribe now because I'm uploading one new way to make money every single day. And don't forget to let me know in the comments which method you're most excited to try. Let's crush it together.